Pennsylvania area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Newswatch 16 is sponsored by your local Ford stores. Check out Ford's full lineup and build your new vehicle at buyfordnow.com today. From WNEP, the news station, this is Newswatch 16 at 5.
We are feeling the chill again today, and with wind heading our way this weekend, it's not leaving